Sophia. So we found out this turtle on the way.
We're gonna save it.
Put it in the water.
Nope.
Okay, let's go to put in the water together. Yeah, put it in the water together. Put in the middle one, not put here. Because we don't want it to walk. Yeah, go to the deep water.
There's another event happening. Oh. Another turtle.
Where?
So how do we drop it in? Wait, I want to drop it. How do you drop it?
You hold it like this and drop it.
Actually, you drop it.
So you want to touch it? The last one? The last touch. I think take.
Cutie, such a cutie. Where's his? Is he scared?
I don't know. Maybe he's scared. Okay, drop it.
Yeah, go. Oh man, I thought you were gonna drop it for like 5 feet.
No, it didn't.
If he dead, we can get back out and then we can...
No, it's not that. It's just hibernate. It's just scared, just hide. See?
So when we disappear, he go.
No, he will gone. He will go soon.
See?
See?
That's crazy, right?
Yeah. He lucky because we found him, so he put him here, so he have water. Else he will die. Because no water anywhere. Just
Dad,
yes,
when will he repay us?
yes.
Soon he has to go bring my milk here. Milk? Soon he needs to bring me some candy from here. Dude.
Yeah, I think it's stay there.
Can
Yeah.
we go to the zipline park now?
Just
I hear some noise. Oh my god, it's a squirrel, bro.
they have fun, you know. They jump from tree to tree.
Can I poke the squirrel?
It's safe, by the way.
Can I poke the turtle
Yeah,
with the stick?
yeah.
Oh, okay. I mean, yeah.
Maybe we should find a safe way to get into that. Not a dangerous one.
Oh, that's just a lizard. Guys, this is perfect. It's like a gun.
But
So I just feel like,
Somebody use this tool as a safe
No.
environment.
I need something longer.
why you need to poke it?
Well, I'm not poking it.
Okay, this is perfect. See,
Wake up.
where is he?
Wake up. Right there. Close to the lake.
Oh.
What is this? What is this?
What is this?
Okay, it gone.
No, I still see him.
This little swamp at the Discover Green is so cool. Remember this time, this place we used to sit down here, a lot of fish. Remember with your grandmother?
Were they happy?
Yeah.
Wait, which grandma?
My parents. We sit down here.
I can't use too much violence. I feel like the turtle's just gonna pop out anyway. Bow and arrow.
We're going camp fishing. Turtle, we're
Okay.
not dangerous.
Okay, let's go, right?
Wait, maybe I'm gonna name this turtle Bill.
I took the turtle off. Oh, come on! Why do you have to escape from me? Oh, let me try more turtle.
The motor here. Okay, that's it, right?
Maybe Bill was the only one in the forest.
Okay, let's go to the zipline one.
So then next, you want to turn into turtle? when you
Oh, it's something turned into a turtle. To her head. I did that to the turtle. Like to the shell.
okay. That's it.
I have my watch right here. It's so beautiful.